Here are 7 giant and bizarre creatures once discovered in Antarctica that left the scientific community utterly baffled. Welcome to the mysterious universe. Dear friend, in the heart of this frozen continent, Antarctica is not merely a cold and desolate land, but also an endless treasure of miraculous and diverse life. Here, explorers and researchers have discovered creatures of colossal size and terrifying forms, creating the legend for the Hoang Sa land. These creatures live in a harsh and challenging environment, has developed incredibly unique and miraculous characteristics to survive, from giant whales to colossal octopuses hidden in the frigid ocean depths. Antarctica holds mysteries of life that humanity has yet to fully uncover. Mysterious universe. The creatures that amazed and astonished the entire world, with their boundless strength and natural beauty. The giant Antarctic sea spider, also known as colossindice, is a unique creature. Megalonic is an enigmatic phenomenon that exists in the liminal world. They are found living in the Antarctic Ocean on Earth. In places with harsh and frigid living conditions, they possess 8 magnificent long legs. This sea spider is considered one of the largest spider species ever known to humankind, with its uniquely dense fur and superior size compared to all other spider species, including those in the tarantula group. This particular sea spider is known to belong to the Pycnogonidae family. As a group of marine arthropods, they possess a remarkable ability to adapt to the ocean's harsh conditions. The special thing is that they can change their body color to blend in with their surroundings. From that point, their ability to camouflage to avoid predators was also enhanced. And despite having been meticulously studied and carefully observed, however, there is still no precise explanation for the reason why giant sea spiders possess such an impressive size. Their evolution and development in the Antarctic environment have so far remained a mystery to the scientific community. It can be affirmed that the appearance of giant sea spiders in Antarctica is not merely an interesting biological phenomenon, and is also evidence of the wonders and diversity of the marine world. Just as organisms' ability to adapt to the harshest habitats on Earth. Antarctic giant octopus, Enteroctopus antarcticus. The Antarctic giant octopus, Enteroctopus antarcticus, is one of the most fearsome creatures lurking beneath the frigid waters of the far south. Its tentacles can be longer than 5 meters and are capable of spraying a thin, toxic ink. This is a formidable opponent for any species that dares to challenge it. Known by the moniker of the giant octopus, this species belongs to the Enteroctobotidae family, and is one of the largest species of octopus ever recorded, with a body weight that can reach hundreds of kilograms. The giant octopus is a symbol of the ocean's power and majesty. Giant octopuses typically inhabit the deepest parts of the ocean, where sunlight cannot reach and the water is extremely cold. This helps them avoid the attention of predatory plants, while also facilitating their own hunting activities. With a superiorly developed brain and masterful hunting skills, the giant octopus is a formidable killer in the depths of the ocean. One of the most remarkable features of the giant octopus is its ability to eject a stream of black ink when it feels threatened. This not only obscured the predator plant's vision, but also filled it with terror and confusion. This is a naturally perfect defense tactic, allowing the giant octopus to protect itself from threats in its surrounding environment. Hoff crabs are one of the strangest and most unique creatures ever discovered in the deep ocean, especially in the Antarctic Sea. The most special and unique feature of this crab species is how they cultivate bacteria on their dense chest fur and then use those very bacteria as a food source. Additionally, their habitat is also considered one of the most peculiar things. They appear in large numbers around hydrothermal vents at a depth of approximately 2.5 kilometers beneath the Antarctic seafloor. This is an extremely harsh environment with extreme temperatures, where only a very few species can survive. However, the coconut crab has a remarkable ability to adapt to this very environment. The cultivation of bacteria on their chest fluff allows boxer crabs to create an on-site food source. This bacterium primarily survives by utilizing the reserve of organic matter from the subsurface ocean flow. When consuming these stored reserves, they release heat and become a food source for the crabs. This enables them to live and survive even in harsh environments like the Antarctic Sea. And it is precisely thanks to this remarkable adaptability that the fiddler crab has attracted special interest and in-depth research from the scientific community. Accordingly, we will gain a clearer understanding of how bacteria survive in this extreme environment. It can provide valuable insights into the adaptation and evolution processes of marine organisms, as well as providing clues about extraterrestrial life in similar environments on other planets. Antarctic springtail. The Antarctic springtail, with the scientific name *Megaphorora arctica*. As one of the animal species with unique characteristics, it primarily inhabits the Antarctic region. Despite their extremely small size, only about 1 to 2 millimeters. But they are one of the largest animals inhabiting the caves in this area. The most fascinating and unique aspect of the Antarctic springtail is its extraordinary ability to adapt to its harsh living conditions. They have the ability to regularly freeze their own bodies to survive, even when placed in low-temperature environments. They could still be idle and roam about without encountering any danger, a special ability that very few creatures possess. The adaptation of springtails to the frigid conditions of Antarctica is a remarkable phenomenon in the natural world. They can withstand the extreme cold and the incredibly harsh environmental conditions here, thanks to unique biological mechanisms formed through millions of years of evolution. It is evident that despite their small size, Antarctic springtails play an incredibly important role in this region's ecosystem. They serve as food for many other animal species, while also contributing to maintaining the ecological balance of the area. Therefore, researching Antarctic springtails helps us better understand the survival strategies and adaptability of organisms in extreme environments. Simultaneously, it also creates an opportunity to study unique biological mechanisms that can be applied in the fields of medicine and science and technology. The blackfin fish is a rare and valuable marine species, highly prized by gourmets for its significant economic worth. They typically inhabit deep-sea environments with harsh conditions. The fish boasts white, firm, and flavorful flesh that is exceptionally nutritious, often prepared as a premium dish in upscale restaurants. The blackfin icefish is a unique and peculiar species, capable of living in the coldest marine environments on Earth. What is remarkable is that this fish possesses many truly unique and astonishing characteristics. And one of the peculiar things about the blackfin fish is that their blood is white. This is because they lack a functional hemoglobin gene, the gene responsible for producing red blood cells that transport oxygen in the blood. This very deficiency prevents the black-winged hatchetfish's blood from transporting oxygen like other fish. In addition, the black-finned fighting fish possesses an oversized heart relative to its body and a skeleton that contains very few minerals. If these traits appear in humans, they could lead to health problems. However, they are crucial factors that enable the blackfin icefish to survive in the harsh Antarctic environment. To survive in this frigid environment, the blackfin icefish has evolved the ability to produce proteins that act as a natural antifreeze. Help them withstand freezing conditions when temperatures drop below the freezing point of seawater. This is a marvelous natural mechanism that allows this fish species to adapt and survive in harsh environments. With their unique characteristics and remarkable adaptability, the blackfin icefish plays a vital role in the Antarctic marine ecosystem, and also a highly captivating research topic for both biologists and ecologists. Red Sea cucumber Unexplained, scientific name, Echinidae. Researchers from Australia made unexpected discoveries using a specialized type of camera. And this strange creature was discovered in the Antarctic region. That is the Red Sea cucumber Unexplained, also known as Echinidae, a species of sea cucumber that is blood red in color. Particularly, this species also has the ability to glow in the dark, creating an incredibly spectacular scene on the ocean floor. With a plump, stubby body resembling the wings of a baby chick. The Red Sea cucumber Unexplained, Echinacea, is attracting particular attention from the research community. Their movement is also highly unique. They typically crawl along the seafloor or drift in the water column while foraging. They are truly a uniquely fascinating phenomenon of the ocean. Additionally, one of the most unique characteristics of the Red Sea cucumber species Echinaea, also known as Echinidae, is its body structure. With their unique body structure, sea cucumbers can move flexibly through water currents and evade predators. This is a miraculous natural mechanism that enables them to survive and adapt in this harsh environment. The discovery of the hairy sea flea in the deep waters of Antarctica has opened up a new avenue of research into marine life. With the ability to survive and adapt